Hi student. So let's start with our first class with the Java configuration. So in Java configuration, basically before we starting our class and object, we need to do some basic configuration to execute our test case. So in that case, we need to do three configuration. First, we have to download JDK. So why JDK? Because JDK uh, having two things. One is a JDK compiler and JRE. So guys, be careful. Do not download JRE 8. Be specific. Download JDK 8 for installation. Okay. Second thing, what we have to do, we have to download the Eclipse IDE Oxygen version. After installing this, then we will download Apache Maven for installation. So these are the links I already mentioned here to download these three softwares. So let's say after downloading this and installing it, then we need to do some configuration in the system environment file that we will do after this installation. So let's start with the first step, downloading JDK 8 installation in our local workstation. So you have to open the Google and write down download JDK 8 for Windows. So once you download and search it, the Oracle site, the official Oracle site will be open. Click on the first link. Here you will find so many exe files which is related to Linux. If you are working on Linux workstation, you just download Linux version of installer, and if you are in macOS, download the macOS installer. As of now, we are working on the Windows 86 architecture, so we need to download this. Once you click on this, it start downloading. So I already downloaded this one here. So this exe will be downloaded. Now let's move to the Eclipse IDE, the second step. So again, open the google.com, type download Eclipse IDE Oxygen version. Once you type this Oxygen version, it will take you to the eclipse.org, which is the official site of Eclipse IDE. And here you just scroll down, you will find get Eclipse IDE 2021 and the month when it has launched. So just click here, it will start downloading your installer. So here you can see I already downloaded here. Same way, now let's move to the step 3, Apache Maven installer. All we will discuss when and why we are going to use these software. So for timing, we are just downloading and installing. So once we type Apache Maven download for Windows, then you will see the first link is maven.apache.org, which is the official site for downloading Apache Maven. So here you can come down here. So depends on which server or operating system you are using, just you can download. So we will download this binary file. So Apache Maven 3.8.1 binary file. Once you click it, it will again start downloading. So now I have all the three installer, JDK, Eclipse and Apache software. So now what we have to do, simply we have to do double click and the installer will open, and only you have to select the default option and go next. It will install your JDK 8. So once the JDK installed, so it will look like, go to your program files. In program files, there is new folder created called Java. Inside Java you can see two things, JDK 1.8 and JRE 1.8. So make sure these two folders should be there in the under program files. Okay, if it is not there, only JRE there, which means when you will use Eclipse, your code will not compile. So make sure these two folders should be present there after installation. So I am declining this because I already installed this software. Now let's move to the second part. Just click on Eclipse. So once you click, it will install your Eclipse ID. Once the Eclipse ID installed, it will show you under your user. So go to your user, like my user, and here you can find Eclipse Oxygen version. So it has extracted here. So once this has extracted, just right click and send it to the desktop shortcut. So this Eclipse will be shown on the desktop as well. So it will show it here. Okay, I already created, so it has created another one. So now let's move to the third configuration. This is Apache Maven. So in Apache Maven, it's not an installer, so first we have to extract here. So copy it somewhere, create your own software folder in C drive or D drive, and then extract here. So let's say we are doing extraction, so we have to extract here. So once it has extracted, so basically after extraction, extracting this one, unzip this installer Apache Maven. I copied it to my local drive. So under my user, I have created the softwares, and software I have copied directly here. It's not an exe installation. Simply I copied from there to here. Okay, so make sure the bin folder should be there, and these are the folders should be present here. So once this done, then we are fine with the all three installer. So basically what we did, we finished this installation JDK. So we have seen there is two folder created under program files under Java, JDK and GRE, and then we installed the Eclipse ID. So one folder created called Eclipse ID Oxygen version under your user default username, default user login name. And the third one is Apache Maven, which we extracted, basically unzipped it and copied to the respective folder. Now these three things done. Now what we have to do, we need to do the configuration. So now configuration of a downloaded software in system environment variable. So we will configure one by one Java home and the Maven home. If you are not doing this setup, your Eclipse will not work, okay, and your code will not compile. So we have to do one by one. So now how we will do this configuration, just copy this thing